Are you wondering which security tool is better for your website? Today we compare Wordfence and Sucuri. Both tools help protect your site from hackers and malware. They offer features to keep your online space safe and secure. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Wordfence. This tool is a popular choice for WordPress users. It provides a firewall, malware scanner, and login security. Wordfence also has a real-time traffic view. This feature helps you see who is visiting your site and where they come from. It's user-friendly and easy to set up. Now, let's look at Sucuri. Sucuri is not just for WordPress, it works with many platforms. It offers a powerful firewall and malware removal service. Sucuri also monitors your site for any changes. If something goes wrong, they alert you quickly. Their support team is available to help with issues anytime. Now, let's talk about the key differences. Wordfence is mainly for WordPress, while Sucuri is more versatile. Wordfence has a free version, but Sucuri's features are mostly paid. When it comes to features, Wordfence shines with its detailed traffic insights. Sucuri, however, excels in its malware cleanup and site monitoring. In terms of pricing, Wordfence offers a free plan with basic features. Sucuri has a monthly fee, but it provides more extensive protection and support. So, which one should you choose? If you have a WordPress site and want a free option, go with Wordfence. If you need broader protection or have multiple sites, Sucuri might be the better choice for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights.